Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar. We have a great song here from Machine Gun Kelly. It's called Come Pick Me Up. And this is the live version. I really like this song. And yeah, one guitar is enough here. One guitar, one voice if you have, and you're set for the song. But we also have to learn how to handle it. So let's go into this guitar world here with the capo set on second. That's the absolute best scenario. You can see that he's playing that as well. So with the capo on second, let's start with the chords. We have first the G. And you play it third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be the E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. You have C next. And that will be third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. You have A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next you have the A minor B, kind of a transition chord. You can do it two different ways. Either go with just pick these two fingers up one string. That will give you second A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Or you can just go with one of these fingers up and keep the other one away from it, so it gives us the second A and then open D, open G, first B, and open E. So either way is good here, and I prefer actually the last version of it. So in any way, you're gonna keep that first fret B string there, and this is second fret A. These are important. So that's the A minor B chord, and then we have also the D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And there we have all the chords needed. Now, let's go into the strumming, and we have a two-part strumming here, because sometimes we have to split it. So let's illustrate it with the first chord, the G. One full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up. And I like to play the first two downs on the bass strings, so, and the down, down, up a little bit, and the mid, higher string. And with bass and higher, I mean where I play on the strings here. So these are the bass strings, and these are the high strings. So that's part one. Part two continues with down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. And if you connect these two parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds goes like this. So there we have it. Now let's go into the actual song and start with the first verse. And you're gonna play G, one full round, both part one and part two. Then E minor, one full round, C, one full round, and A minor, one full round. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So round goes like this. G, E minor, C, and A minor. So on. 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. Over down to the first pre-chorus, and yeah, you're gonna play A minor part 1, then the A minor B part 1 again, and then C, one full round. And yes, in the lyrics it's I wish you would, and so on. It's about 1 minute and 4 seconds in, I believe. That's where the pre-chorus starts. So you're gonna play this A minor part 1, A minor B part 1, C, one full round. And then the second round, because you're going to play that for 2 rounds, the second round, you play the same there, A minor part 1, A minor B part 1, but C, you can only play 1 down there and wait for this big pause. We have a little bit of a feeling here, so you can play 1 down, a short pause, and then just start to strum a little bit irrational there before the chorus starts. So I'm going to play it through for you to understand how it's done. Let's go from the A minor. And there starts the chorus. The pause there and the length of it is as long as if you would play 1 full string round of C. So that's the length of the pause before the chorus starts. And speaking of the chorus, it's about 1 minute and 22 seconds in. Come pick me up, that's where we are in the lyrics. And you're going to play the chorus now with G, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, and back to C, 1 full round. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. 1 round goes like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that, and then comes an instrumental part right after this first chorus at 152, and it starts, or actually goes with 1 down on the D chord, and then a pause, and that pause is the length of 1 strumming around. And then you continue with G, part 1, E minor part 1, and C 1 full round. And that G, E minor, and C part you play for 2 rounds. So it starts with D, or actually it's really the chorus that ends with this extra D. After you play this 2 rounds of the G, C, A minor, C, you play 1 D, pause, and then comes the instrumental part with G part 1, E minor part 1, and C 1 full round for 2 rounds, like this. Again, G part 1, E minor, and C 1 full round. Yes. Over now to the second round of everything. It's just repetition. When it comes to the second verse, play exactly in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. Then after the second chorus comes this instrumental part, okay? And you're going to play it again in the same way, but it's connected with the bridge part. So as soon as you play the second instrumental part in the same way as you play the first one, you go into the bridge part, and we're now about 3 minutes and 46 seconds in. I wish you would you make up my bed. That's where we are in the lyrics. Sorry, I lost a little bit there. But anyway, 3 minutes and 46 seconds in. Now you're going to play D, 1 down. And then E minor, 1 down. And then C, 1 down. And if you want, you can add 3 notes. And that's 1 round of it. This 3 notes is open D, second D, and open G. And you just repeat that for 4 rounds. So D, A minor, and C. And the notes. Again, D, E minor, C, the notes. That's 3 rounds. You do it for 4 rounds, and after you finish these 4 rounds, you finish the bridge part, and now you hit the outro part. The outro part is the playing of the instrumental, where we have the G part 1, the E minor part 1, and C 1 full round. You play that for 4 rounds like this. Imagine the 4th round now. And you finish off with the 3 notes and 1 down on G. The 3 notes are first B, open B, and open G, or sorry, second G, and then 1 down on the G chord. And that, my friends, sums it up for Machine Gun Kelly's Come Pick Me Up. Nice song, really like this one. I like the tempo, the easy chords, and the song itself is great. So give it a shot if you like this, if you're a fan of him or Gordon Guitar, where I teach out as easy as I can but still go through the full song, then yeah, this could be one song to go for. So good luck with this one, guys, and until next time, play tuned.